Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we break down the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Corsair Air A115 cooler, a powerhouse of thermal performance. Let's get right into it. First off, let's talk performance.
The Corsair Air A115 isn't just good, it's exceptional.
In our testing, it dominated thermal benchmarks, keeping your CPU cool under pressure. And what's more impressive is its ability to do so quietly. Yes, you heard that right. This cooler runs like a whisper even under heavy loads. Now, let's talk about what makes this cooler tick. It features a dual tower design with 6 copper heat pipes, ensuring efficient heat transfer away from your CPU. Plus, with pre-applied thermal paste, installation is a breeze.
No more messy applications, just slap it on and you're good to go.
Installation is straightforward, thanks to Corsair's innovative fan slider system.
No more fiddling with old-fashioned fan clips, simply slide the fans into place and you're done.
Plus, with full RAM compatibility, you won't have to worry about clearance issues, unless your RAM is taller than 40 mm. Now, let's talk about the fans themselves.
The Corsair Air A115 comes equipped with 2 AF140 Elite fans, delivering excellent airflow while keeping noise levels in check. And with a 5-year warranty backing them up, you can trust in their reliability. So, what's the verdict? The Corsair Air A115 is a top contender in the world of air coolers. With its outstanding thermal performance, quiet operation, and easy installation, it's hard to find fault with this cooler, except maybe its price tag.
At $99, it's an investment.
But if you're looking for the best of the best, it's worth every penny. That's it for today's review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay cool.